Tuning into my emergency update. Well, in yesterday's video I did say that there was going to be some rain across southern parts of the British Isles, some southern and southeastern parts of England and Wales through the course of Sunday night and into Monday. That's looking like being very significant rain now, very substantial and even torrential rain, and that could really give us some very serious problems with flooding around London. So right over the capital and in the rush hour, this could be a very significant weather event indeed. So this is the facts chart, just putting things in context, show what's happening. This is for 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. I've got this little area of low pressure just off the southeastern coast of the southeast coast of England, and we've got this weather front on its northern flank, and the torrential rain is really going to be just to the east of this weather front, where we've got this little area of low pressure that's going to produce some very, very heavy rain indeed. And as we go through into lunchtime tomorrow, 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we've still got that low pressure there just off the southeast coast, where it's beginning to move a little bit further westwards across southern England, and the rain will be getting a little bit lighter. But this is really going to be a very significant weather event indeed. So I want to show you the NAE model precipitation forecast from the NAE model. This is what the BBC weather forecasts are based around, the rainfall predictions from the BBC weather forecast, and this is for midnight tonight. We can see we've got some very heavy rain, torrential rain there, just coming up towards Brighton and heading northwards in towards the south of London. This is from the website Weather Online, by the way. You can find Weather Online on my links page. And as we go through into 6 o'clock in the morning, that torrential rain has moved a little bit further north. It's now centred right over the top of London. This will be producing probably over 50 millimetres of rain over the capital in the rush hour. It's going to be absolutely atrocious if this comes off. And then as we go in towards lunchtime tomorrow, 12 o'clock tomorrow, the NAE model wants to take that rain further westwards across southern England. So it's moving out of London in towards the M4, and the rain is extending northwards up in towards the central part of the Midlands. But the really heavy stuff is further south in towards the South Midlands, Oxfordshire, and then down in towards the M4. Now we have a quick look at the total precipitation that the model is going for, the NAE model, from this event. By the end of tomorrow, the model is expecting us to see anything up to 90 millimetres of rain stretching from Brighton up towards London. 90 millimetres of rain is over 3.5 inches, and that's falling in quite a short space of time, so it will give us some real concerns with flooding. Now, having a quick look at the GFS precipitation forecast, and this again for midnight tide is taking that to precipitation from Brighton up towards London and further northwards, actually out of London in towards perhaps the western part of East Anglia. Now as we go in towards 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, some really torrential rain showing up there. This is stretching from London northwards up towards the Wash and then west towards the south and the East Midlands. So this has got the torrential rain slightly further north, but London is still coming into the firing line with this. And then as we go in towards lunchtime, that torrential rain is really stretching from the home counties up towards the central and northeastern part of the Midlands, and the East Midlands really in the firing line. So the GFS model wants to take that torrential rain further north, I think, than the NAE model, the Met Office's NAE model. Which one is correct, we'll have to wait and see. But in any case, this is looking like a very, very significant weather event for southeastern parts of England. Some really torrential rain. There will be the risk of flooding. Flooding in the capital for the rush hour is quite possible tomorrow morning, so watch out for that. That's all for now.